Hello, Camp Adventurers! Welcome to today's story time. My name is Gisela Trevino from Children's Museum Houston, and today we're going to be reading a fun story about weather. Let's get started. What is weather? Weather is all of the changes that happen in the air. Water, air, and heat from the sun work together to make weather. Warm and sunny. When the sun is high up in the sky and there are not many clouds, the weather is hot and dry. If it is cloudy, the temperature is lower. Let the rain fall. Without water, there would be no life on earth. Rain helps plants grow and gives animals water to drink. Icy water. Water freezes when it's very cold. This changes the weather. Snow falls instead of rain, and water on the ground turns into ice. Mist and clouds. Clouds can be made from tiny drops of water from ice crystals. They are formed when warm air holding water vapor cools down. Clouds come in all shapes and sizes. Fluffy cumulus. A cloud's name describes how high up it is and what it looks like. For example, the fluffy clouds seen in warm weather are called cumulus. Glowing at night, some clouds glow in the dark. Just after sunset, they look bright blue and crisscrossed with wavy lines. See the wavy lines? Tiger in the mist. Mist and fog are clouds near the ground. They usually form in cool weather. This tiger's home in the jungle is very wet, so it is misty there even though it is warm. Out in the rain. A raindrop is made when tiny drops of water in a cloud touch and join together. The raindrop gets larger and heavier, and finally it falls to the ground as rain. The shape of rain. Rain may look like lines, but each raindrop is usually the shape of a sphere. Most are small, the size of a pencil tip. Carried by the wind, storms produce enormous, heavy raindrops. Strong winds keep the rain up in the air for a long time, so the drops get very big. Leafy umbrella. Like humans, many animals like to shelter from the rain. Orangutans hold handfuls of leaves above their heads to stop from getting wet. Stormy days. A thunderstorm happens when clouds grow bigger and taller and gather more and more energy. Every day, there can be as many as 40,000 storms crashing down around the world. Lightning strikes. Lightning is a spark of electricity that makes the air glow. It can move between clouds or shoot down to the ground onto trees or buildings. High as a mountain. Thunderclouds can be enormous. In very severe storms, they can be taller than a mountain. Hurricane damage. A hurricane is a group of thunderstorms that spin. At the center is a calm circle called the eye. When a hurricane hits land, it can cause a lot of damage. Flakes of snow. Snowflakes are made from ice that forms high up in the clouds. In warm weather, the ice melts and falls to the ground as rain or sleet. If it is cold enough, it falls as snow. Cozy snow. Snow can keep you warm. The Inuit people who live in the Arctic make buildings called igloos from the blocks of snow. Snow shapes. Most snow crystals have 6 sides, but they never look exactly the same as one another. They all form different, beautiful patterns. Snowfall. Snowflakes are snow crystals that are stuck together. Big flakes form when it is just below freezing. This is called the crystal. This is when the crystals are the stickiest. The end. Now, as an extension of today's story, together discuss what you know about clouds and what types of clouds you have seen before. Then, identify the words in the book that the author uses to describe the different types of clouds. If you would like to extend even further, together discuss what the central idea of the book is. What are 3 details that support this central idea? Create a graphic organizer. In the middle of your paper, write down your central idea. Then, draw 3 to 5 bubbles off your central idea and write down the details in the bubbles. Have fun, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.